Hi, this is KC from KC Boomer Tech, where we talk about everything tech and fun stuff related to boomers and much, much more. With all that's been going on, I forgot that back when they introduced the Samsung S20 that I had pre-ordered it and forgot about it because it took so long for it to come, and yesterday it arrived, and so I have it over here. I'm going to be taking a look at it. I'm going to give you my thoughts, and let's get to it. So, pretty box, as it comes in normally. So, I'm going to look into it. I can see what we got here. I ordered the accessories for it, which have not arrived yet. So, after I get this, I may not be able to use it because, well, as we know, if you've got a phone and you got no protective case, it's not a wise idea. So, in the box, you have your phone, manual, not much to it. You got your little opening device. Okay, power supply, larger than most because of the heavy battery. Comes with a charging cord, and it looks like it comes with a pair of earphones or something. Let's take a look. Yep, it does come with a set of earphones, but the difference between these, if you'll notice, there's good earphones, but look at the plug. You see that? No longer do you have your plug-in for your standard microphone or anything else like that. Now you have to use the plug in the bottom. Kind of disappointing, but what are you going to do? As we go with technology, it moves on. So I'm going to take this phone now and I'm going to charge it, and I'm going to get back to you on this. Alrighty? Alright, thanks. I charged up the S20, and it comes with a heavy-duty charger because this battery has got some extra capacity to it. So your little chargers will not really do anything. You'll need at least a 2.5 amp charger or better. The one that comes with it is 45 watt if you want to hit some fast charging going. Now the other thing to be considered with, okay, when you went and I took it through the steps of setting it up, it did do everything quite easily. The only thing you're going to have to do is download the Samsung app to transfer your data from your old phone onto the new phone, and then you'll put your SD card and everything inside. Not bad at all. Now I have tested it since then. I played some music, took some pictures. Really, really, really fun to use versus my Note 8. What I did kind of like most is the photo. They promoted this with the high resolution pictures, and as you probably can see, I'm looking this way. I'm actually looking at the camera. I'm going to split back, look at the table. All right, and I don't know if you can see, there are 3 selections, and you've got quite a fantastic zoom there that really, I have now found that just playing with it, I can't wait to try it outside. So I may do another review on the S20 on some of the functions I like, the video functions. Same thing. You can zoom in on with the with the zoom on your videos, which makes it really nice, you know, if you're doing some fireworks or something like that. And the only other thing I want to talk about last about this phone is I was surprised. This is my Note. This is my Samsung Note 8. And I thought it was going to be that this phone was going to be slightly larger. This is the Samsung S20 Plus. But when it came down to it, it's the same size. So that's my major disappointment. The other disappointment that I've had so far with the phone is that it puts up a screen in here where AT&T is pushing their services of AT&T TV, DirecTV, and things like that, and you can't X out of it. So you're stuck with that screen moving in and out, and you have to go this way to do the apps. So that's my negative side to the phone. Again, reviewing that, the camera functions, the video functions, audio, excellent. That one thing that it does and puts that trying to sell you stuff on it, can't stand it. I wish they put an option in there to X that out. So again, please like and share and subscribe to the channel so that I can bring you more content like this. I hope this has been helpful to you in my review of the S20 Plus. And the last thing you might want to consider, again, I've already talked about putting the nano screen protector on it, which I did. But you might want to consider a very, very good unit. I bought personally the Otter Defender. And the reason I bought that particular one is that it has a exterior belt clip-on. And the belt clip-on allows me to hook it on to my my belt or my pants. But the nice other thing that's about it is that piece comes off, which allows me to take this phone and put it on a fast charger, a wireless charger, or the wireless charger in the car. Whereas with some of them, you have that little suction cup that pulls out, but then you can't put them on the fast charger. So those are things to consider. You have a great day. And this is Casey from Casey Boomertech signing out.